Tired of right-clicking your recycle bin every time just to empty it? Well, here's a quick and easy way to clean it up with just a click. As you can see here, my recycle bin is full and I want to empty it in a single click. First, right-click on your desktop and select New and choose Shortcut. In the location box, type this exact command, cmd.exe/c is to towse Windows to open the command prompt. Run the following command, then close. Echo Y vertical bar means we're automatically answering yes to any confirmation prompt. PowerShell.exe is calling PowerShell, a powerful scripting tool in Windows. -no profile makes sure PowerShell runs without loading any personal profile or settings, so it starts clean and fast. -command clear -recycle bin is the actual command that empties the recycle bin. Click Next, then name your shortcut something like Clean Recycle Bin. Hit Finish and your one-click recycle bin cleaner is ready to go. Now double-click the shortcut and just like that, the command runs, clears out the recycle bin silently, and closes. If you look at your recycle bin icon now, you'll see it's completely empty, super fast and clean. Before we end this tutorial, I would like to thank to all our amazing patrons supporting Code Instinct on Patreon. Your support means the world and helps keep this channel alive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share this with your friends, and drop a comment if you've got other cool ideas or things you'd like us to cover next.